Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nanni is here in Cannes again. As every year, we present our new range to the pleasure market. This year is 2015 is a great year for us. We present here a range of engines starting from 10 horsepower up to 1900. Nanni have 3 new engines here in Cannes this edition. We have the 2 kits, 6 liter and 9 liters, 400 horsepower and 600, and then we have the big MAN 1900. This is the new big engines in our range. So we have 4 partners, engine partners. We have Kubota, we have Toyota, John Deere engines and MAN. So Nanni is here to launch under our trademark and this new product to the pleasure in Europe, and it's a pleasure to us for the first time to introduce a 6 and 9 liter. That would be great for the pleasure market, both from 10 until 15 meters. Those 2 engines have been developed in between 2014 and 2015 in Nanni. In addition on the engine, we introduce also the new systems, the control systems. We developed together with Bosch Rexroth, today Aventix, the new ECS and OS systems. So we have electric control, we have joystick systems, we can supply a complete package to the boat builders. That would be a very good solution to them, so they just can have access from Nanni to the engine, the optionals and control and joystick systems that is absolutely needed. We have also the generators pack, so today we are able to offer to the boat builders through one supplier, that's Nanni, really a mechanical solution. Nanni wanted to introduce this engine to have a complete range, to start the game, to play the game on the market and give to the customer a complete solution. We are today present in 80 countries or more in the world. We have a worldwide network that's supporting Nanni and attends the other shows. So we will show this new propulsion engine in Genoa next month, in Fort Lauderdale, in Miami. We will go through Paris, Düsseldorf and so on. Last but not the least is the new V12 1900 that we show in our stand, MAN stand. This is a completely new solution from MAN. Is the V12, come out at 1900 horsepower at 2300 RPM. Is the best solution in power ratio that we can find here in the show. We will launch this engine as world premiere here in Cannes this year, and will be promoted all over the world for following the next show previously indicated. MAN have a range as well of 6-cylinder, 13 liter, V8 1200 and V12 1400, 1650, 1800 and now the 1900. So we are very proud today to have those big range, large range and answer to all the customer requests. So we thank you all customers that is moving to Nanni, jumping to Nanni. We look forward to meet you here in the show in Cannes. In the next La Rochelle, Genoa and Barcelona, you are always welcome and enjoy sailing with the Nanni and MAN solution. Thank you.